Types of drone surveying missions. When conducting a drone survey, the way a drone flies over a site is not random. Each mission is carefully designed depending on the type of data you want to collect. Different industries and projects require different flight patterns and data capture methods. In this lecture, we'll explore the most common types of drone surveying missions used by professionals. Let's start with the most widely used type, mapping missions. Mapping missions are used to create 2D maps and orthomosaic images of an area. In this type of mission, the drone flies in a grid pattern over the survey site while capturing hundreds of overlapping images. This grid pattern ensures that each photo overlaps with others, allowing photogrammetry software to combine the images into a highly detailed map. Mapping missions are commonly used for construction site monitoring, land surveying, agriculture, and urban planning. Next is the 3D mapping mission. Unlike basic mapping missions that focus on flat images, 3D mapping missions capture data from multiple angles to create realistic 3D models of terrain, buildings, and structures. In these missions, drone may fly in double grid patterns or angled flight paths. The extra image angles help software reconstruct objects in the three dimensions. 3D mapping is widely used in mining surveys, infrastructure inspections, and architectural modeling. Another important type is the corridor mapping mission. Corridor mapping missions are designed for long and narrow areas such as roads, railways, pipelines, power lines, and canals. Instead of flying across a wide grid, the drone follows a linear flight path along the corridor. This allows surveyors to efficiently capture data along extended routes without wasting time surveying unnecessary areas. Next, we have inspection missions. Inspection missions focus on capturing detailed images of specific structures rather than mapping large areas. Drones fly close to structures such as bridges, towers, wind turbines, or buildings, capturing high resolution images for analysis. These missions help engineers detect damage, monitor structural conditions, and perform maintenance planning. Another specialized mission type is terrain and elevation surveys. These missions focus on collecting data that can be used to generate digital surface models and digital terrain models. This information is important for understanding land elevation, slopes, and terrain changes. Terrain surveys are commonly used in construction planning, mining operations, flood analysis, and land development projects. Each type of mission has its own flight parameters, altitude settings, image overlap, and sensor requirements. Professional drone surveyors carefully plan these missions to ensure that the captured data meets the accuracy and quality requirements of the project. Understanding these missions types help you choose the right approach for different surveying scenarios, making your drone operations more efficient and effective. In the next lecture, we'll explore the different types of drones used in surveying and how their designs affect performance and data collection. Thank you.